How to buy Zero Bro token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on Dix Screener, and it just launched in the last 13 hours ago. So as you can see, this token increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. The market cap is $400,000 or $470,000, and the volume is $12.1 million. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's made your investment in this safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your wallet. For that I will use the Bitkit wallet. Select the Solana network from here, click on this plus icon to be able to add this token to your wallet. Now paste the token address that you copy from the screener, and as you can see, this is our token. Click on plus here to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your token in here. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap, switch it from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you select USDT, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet, and after that type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. After that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Zero Bro token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.